Hans Laser Pump Impeller Welding Workstation. The three stations of the system can work independently, ensuring high laser utilization. Equipped with multiple sets of special fixtures, it boasts strong versatility and can cater to impeller welding of various specifications. The workstation utilizes a gas liquid pressure boosting system, ensuring a high assembly yield of products before welding. Additionally, it is equipped with a CCD visual positioning system, further enhancing the welding yield. The system operates in a fully enclosed manner, equipped with protective plates and safety gratings, which not only prevent laser radiation, but also ensure the safety of operators. The workstation supports various welding methods such as penetration welding and butt welding, fulfilling all processing requirements. For pump impeller products, product demonstration, comparison before and after welding,